Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create and manage deals in HubSpot CRM step by step, especially for beginners. Let's start with the basics. In HubSpot CRM, deals represent your sales opportunities. Each deal helps you track a potential sale from the first conversation all the way to closing the deal. To begin, log in to your HubSpot account. From the top menu, click on Sales, then select Deals. This will open your sales pipeline where all your deals are displayed. Before creating a deal, it's important to understand the deal stages. A deal pipeline shows different stages of your sales process, such as qualified lead, proposal sent, negotiation, and closed won or closed lost. Now, let's create a new deal. Click on the Create Deal button. Enter the deal name, deal amount, select the deal stage, choose an expected close date, and assign a deal owner. Once done, click Create. Your deal is now added to the pipeline. Next, make sure to associate the deal with a contact and a company. This helps you keep all related information connected and gives you a complete customer view. As your sales process moves forward, you should update the deal stage. You can simply drag and drop the deal to the next stage or update it inside the deal record. Inside each deal, you can log activities such as notes, calls, emails, and meetings. All these interactions appear in the deal timeline, helping you track every conversation. To stay organized, you can also create tasks for deal follow-ups. Set a due date and reminder so you never miss an important action. You can further customize deals by using deal properties such as deal type, priority, or lead source based on your business needs. When the deal is completed, move it to closed won if the sale is successful or closed lost if it doesn't work out. Finally, use reports and dashboards to track your deal performance and revenue. In summary, creating and managing deals properly in HubSpot CRM helps you stay organized, close more sales, and grow your business efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching.